let me show you how to replace a chain on a mini chainsaw. So first, make sure to remove your battery for extra safety. So on this chainsaw I have to unscrew this one. Also on some chainsaws you simply have a nut that you have to undo here. So obviously, yeah, they're a bit different. But see, I can simply unscrew this here. And then I want to take off my cover here. See, a bit dirty here. And once this is off, you can essentially remove this whole thing. So I suggest also obviously clean it. So let's remove the old chain. And to install the chain, so you see you have two sides on the chain, so inner part and outer part. On the inner, I see you have these guides. And they simply go inside in this bar. So you see you have the slot on it. So you simply drop it on like this. And make sure it simply goes inside that slot. So just like this. So these are the teeth that does all the cutting. So you have this mount here. Simply take it, so, and push through here. Okay. And we also have to get on this gear on. Okay. And then you want to stretch it out. So take, squeeze like this and simply stretch it out and make sure the chain is properly inside in the, yeah, everywhere. So let's take this one. Also you see this piece over here is a tensioner. So you see you can turn it to essentially tension the chain here. So I'll simply pop it on. And snap it in. Okay. I suggest to kind of tension it a bit. Not sure how well you can see. But yeah, you can later obviously tension this as well if needed. Simply replace the screw. So if you want to tension it, you simply unscrew this top part. And then you can kind of tighten this bottom part. So the bottom, I'll simply turn it like this all the way. And then properly tension the top. And we are done. Let's insert the battery. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Good luck.